Hi, and thanks for joining me for the recorded craft demonstration for this week's Adventures in Time and Space. This week we were talking about sound and all the fun things that you can do with sound. So I hope that you enjoy this craft project. We're going to be making a harmonica. If you picked up the kit from the library, you should have a straw, two of the wide style of craft sticks, two small rubber bands, and one larger rubber band. If you're doing this from home with materials you picked up yourself, this rubber band is one that you can substitute for any normal size rubber band. The wider, the better. Go ahead and take your straw and simply cut it down into two shorter lengths. You want to make sure that they're long enough to go across your craft sticks, but there's no specific requirement for size. That'll work just fine. Take your normal wide rubber band and stretch it from on one of the craft sticks from one end to the other. Just like that. Take one of your two pieces of straw and slip it underneath the rubber band at one end. With the second piece, it's going to go on top. But I think this is the easiest way to do this. Move this straw down just a little bit and put the second craft stick on top of it, like a sandwich. Take one of your other rubber bands and use it to secure that piece in place. So I did mine with just a single double wrap. Flip it around, take your second piece of straw, set it between the two pieces of craft stick, and squeeze it down to secure it in place. Then take your second piece of rubber band and wrap it also around the two craft sticks, locking them in place. Your instrument is now done. In order to play it, you're simply going to blow into the space between the two craft sticks. It works best if you put your lips on the outsides of the craft sticks and blow. More of a humming kind of action in some ways. In order to change the pitch, simply slide the piece of straw up or down in order to get a different result. You can try experimenting with both of them. They both should work to the same general effect. To customize your instrument, just simply take some markers and decorate at will. Just be aware that if you decorate the area that you're going to be putting your mouth on, you may have colored lips. I hope you enjoy playing with your harmonica. You can even change the notes and get some different results. So give it an experiment, play around with it, see what you can do with it. And as always, for the Eden Public Library, we will see you next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.